Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if y'all are new, welcome. My name is Lorena and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today it's going to be a makeup video. I'm pretty much going to use a few things I haven't tried yet. I think. I'm kind of nervous about it, but it's going to happen. Okay. I just really picked through a box I have of new stuff I haven't tried. So yeah, I'm not going into this with an idea of a look I want to achieve. So yeah, it might be messed up, but hopefully not. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and get my foundation and concealer 2-in-1. Ooh, from Milani. It looks like this. Now I'm gonna go in, where is that? Oh, with my concealer. And this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Oh, and while I blend out each thing, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia banana shade in here, right there on the middle. And I'll be setting that with that. Now for, what is this called? Bronzer. I'm gonna go with J.Cat Beauty Bronzer. It's golden. No, it's not that. It's in the color 103 Cancun Golden Tan. I kind of want a little bit of ham on that, okay? I gotta be honest. I mean, y'all can see it. Yeah. But I tried working it out, but it's not working. Anyways. That happened. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into the blush, which is the Tarte and Paaarty. And these are this is from the, what is it? Amazonian clay. I'm gonna go in for the eyebrows first. And I'm gonna go in with the Brow Kit by NYX. It's an eyebrow gel. It's waterproof, long lasting, smudge proof. We shall see about that. Mine's in chocolate. And it came in a box like this. It comes with a brush, which I will be using. Chris got this for me actually from like the drugstore. Cause you know, I'm needy and he picked me up some sweets and this. He is so nice. Y'all, like, what? That took me like no time at all. Like on camera, it looks like boom. But then, like, I don't know about this. Like, I like the whole concept. Like, I think with this, I did put a small amount, which I'm glad. But, like, I guess, like, to work it into sections. But I don't know. I actually really like this. Okay, get it together. All right, we're gonna go with this palette I'm about to use. Don't have any brown, so I'm gonna just go into the contour kit and just get this color right here and put that into my crease area. I'm going with this Rimmel London palette. It's the blush edition 002. That's what it says, okay. I'm gonna go in and do this shade right here. It kind of has, it's like black, but then it has like purple glitter in it a little bit, it looks like. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with that though. And this is gonna go over the lid. Alright, y'all. I ended up putting that all over the lid, and I ended up blending it out and putting more of that color from the contour kit in it and just blending it out. Now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna just go in with this. This is the only matte shade in this dang palette. It's right here. Sorry, you can't really tell by the color, but yeah, I'm gonna put that on the high points of my brow and just help that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try this out. I'm really scared and nervous. I'm gonna try this, what is it? Nova Shadow by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. I'm gonna use the one in Constellation. And I'm thinking about just, I think I'm gonna put it from right here, there, I think. Yeah. now that that's done. I think it actually came out pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Being my first time doing that, and I keep putting y'all out, but anyways. I'm gonna go ahead with my Too Faced mascara, put that on, and then I'm gonna go in with some lashes from Kiss, and they're in 03. They look like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on and my mascara, and I'll be right back so we can put the highlight and lips on. Alright, now that I have those on, I'm gonna go in with some highlighter because, you know, I didn't put that on. This is a Super Shock Cheek in Fire. It's with the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Horoscope collection. I'm gonna just go in with my finger and just put it on the high points of my cheeks, and you know what I'm gonna do. Now that I have that on, hopefully y'all caught a glimpse of it, you know what I'm saying, hopefully. I'm going to go in with the lip by Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one is in 733 Plunge. It looks like this. Yeah, y'all, this is the look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, sorry for the bad lighting and everything, but I just really wanted to get some videos up at least until I can figure out when I'll be posting again or whatever. So yeah, this would be actually a cute New Year's Eve look or whatever. I really like how it turned out. So yeah, let me know if y'all used any of these products before, especially the eyebrow by NYX. I'm really fascinated by it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed again, and please like this video if you liked it, of course, and please subscribe if you like me and wanna be a part of my channel. And yeah, I'll see y'all soon, and hopefully that won't be too far from now. But yeah, and remember to spread love and positivity, because that is what this world needs right now. Love y'all. Bye. I'm a sinner too, so I preach. You never know what you got till it's gone. Guess I never know, cause I know what we believe. I don't know. Like, can you? Should I zoom in more? Ooh.